Toldos, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parshah. This is the Parshah where we learn about the famous twins, Yaakov and Esav. Two energies, two powers, two concepts, two personalities. We read about the famous story of Esav being hungry and selling his birthright for a bowl of red stew. The Torah tells us about this stew. V'Yaakov nasan le'Esav lechem unezid adashim. And Jacob gave Esau bread and a pottage of lentils. Genesis 25:34. This verse is the very last verse in the story of the selling of the birthright. This verse reveals to us the ingredients of the pottage at the very end of the story. Until this point, we know it is some sort of red stew, but the fact that lentils are in it is concealed from us until the very end. What is significant about lentils, and why was it only revealed that the stew was made with lentils at the very end of the story? The first Rebbe of Chabad, Rabbi Shner Zalman of Liadi of blessed memory, writes in his commentary on Torah, that there are two conceptual worlds or realities that are represented by Yaakov and Esav. These are referred to as the world of Tohu, meaning chaos, Esau, and the world of Tikkun, meaning rectification. This is Yaakov. The idea of chaos in this formulation is not what one might think. In fact, it is actually higher dimensionally than rectification. Chaos has a lower expression of just being crazy with no order or haphazard. At its higher expression, it is the idea of the infinite, boundless, and without limits. When used for the good, this can be amazing. Tikkun, rectification, on the other hand, is good, but it is limited. It is safe, and there is not as much room for creativity, which is understandable because in this realm things are being repaired and set on a stable and productive course. This is Yaakov. The Alter Rebbe says that the coming of Mashiach and the ultimate redemption is contingent upon the harmonious balance of these two worlds. The Mashiach is also instrumental in holding these two energies in balance. In Gematria, the word adashim, the Hebrew word for lentils, has a numerical value of 424. The number 424 is the exact numerical value of the words Mashiach ben David, Messiah the son of David. When we see these lentils, these 424s, it appears at the end of the story, as the Messiah is to appear at the end of the story, or the end times, as it is commonly referred to. Also, the identity of the lentils have been kept a secret until the end of the story, as the identity of the Messiah is largely unknown and concealed until the end of the story. Have a great Shabbos.